Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you I created this GitHub repository where I listed all the AI websites which are completely 100% free and unlimited. So there is no limit to it. You can use all these AI tools with full unlimited access 100%. So these provides you free API keys. It provides you unlimited access to chatting with all the AI models such as ChatGPT, Quen, Claude, GPT. So I given this GitHub repo in the description of this video. So once you go to the GitHub repo, as you can see already 1200 people have already uh, have given me stars right here. So it's a really popular GitHub repo. So I basically listed out all the AI tools which doesn't require any sign up. You can directly use them for completely free. It also include chatting models for AI models for generating media, voice, APIs. So this will save you a lot of time. You don't need to research the internet. Almost I think it's almost 200 plus tools that I have listed right here. So it will save you a lot of time, and you will see these are category wise we have created this list. This is some websites which are listed open router. I've also given short little description as well what this each tool do. So these are all the leaderboard websites which gives you rankings of all the AI models. These are some chatting interfaces where no sign up is required. These are completely unlimited tools. So one such tool is called as lmarina.ai, where you can actually use each and every model for unlimited access. So if you see that, you can directly chat with all the models. You can see Gemini, GLM, Grok, Quen 3, Claude, GPT. So let's suppose I select this Claude model and I ask anything. So I simply write the prompt. It doesn't require any sign up. You simply go to the website, simply write the prompt, and you will see instantly the website will generate a fully fledged coding application. You can also compare each model side by side. So these are all the websites I listed in this GitHub repo. So one by one you can go to it. This is another website which does the same thing, g4f.dev. So I taken a lot of time to create this list, but once you go to the list, it will be very useful for you. Similarly, for generating videos, images, we have this website meta.ai, which is created by Facebook. So I in this list I've listed all these websites, so it will be easy for you to go to each website. Simply use the AI tools for completely free with unlimited access. So there is no subscription cost at all. These are completely free tools with unlimited 100% access. No need to sign up as well. So you will see that this is now for media generation, image, video. So here you can generate unlimited videos, images. One such website is this one, as you see that. So as you go to each website, you will be able to find new websites related to AI. So this list will be really useful. So please like this video, comment on this video if you like this video. In the future, I will also make similar videos where I will find out all the tools and websites which allow you to unlimited 100% access. And I will in the future I will make more videos. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well, and comment if you like this. This is related to voice and music. So here you can generate your music and voice. So one such website is this one, ttsmp3.com. This is completely unlimited. As you see that there is no sign up. You simply write your text and instantly your mp3 file will be generated. So in this way I created this list. Each website is unlimited. I also given the limit section right here where you can easily read it. So you can see that. So these websites where sign up is required, but still they are unlimited. You will see that. So These are coding platforms, developer APIs, API sections where you will get API keys for completely free, where you can call AI models. So we have all these categories. Category wise, I created this full list, which will be really useful for you. So I have given the link in the description. So you can see that voice and music, media generation. We have also sign up required AI. It's a full list. So you can see $0 spent on AI models. It's completely free websites. So definitely check this out. I've given the link in the description.